How to grow bamboo in pots. Bamboo plants are easy to grow as long as certain rules are followed. Bamboo loves sunlight, but more shade while young. The plants need lots of water, fertilizer aids in growth, and keeping weeds away is important. Bamboo grows best outside in the ground, but growing it in pots is possible. Better care must be taken to ensure the potted plants get lots of water and shade in the hot summer sun. It is just as important in winter to make sure that bamboo doesn't freeze. Just remember that any plant can thrive as long as its needs are met. Potted bamboo is no exception. Things you will need: ceramic pot, garden shovel, rich soil, peat moss, fertilizer. Choose a large ceramic pot, 12 by 12 inches, with holes in the bottom for proper drainage. Fill the pot with a loose rich soil and peat moss. Bamboo plants appreciate well-drained soil. Place the plant in the pot by burying the bamboo rhizomes in the soil 2 inches deep. Apply an all-purpose fertilizer in the pot with the bamboo plant once every 2 months. Change up the fertilizer to a nitrogen-rich brand every 6 months. Water the bamboo plant thoroughly to keep the soil moist. Bamboo plants need lots of water, but never let the water pool around the rhizomes. Tips. Warnings. If planting rooted canes instead of rhizomes, fill the pot with decorative stones and add water. Root the plant in winter and place the plant in partial light. Do not plant a running variety of bamboo plant in a pot. Only plant the clumping variety in an enclosed container.